If you want to shave strokes off your game, you have to commit to your target. And that starts with trusting your data. While a lot of casual players just buy whatever laser has the highest rating online, serious golfers know that a truly elite rangefinder is all about the hardware. Real-world performance comes down to target lock speeds that filter out background trees, optical clarity in heavy morning fog, and dead-on slope compensation that mirrors true plays-as distance. In this video, I am breaking down 5 of the best rangefinders on the market based on their glass quality, haptic feedback, and tournament compliance, so you can confidently dial in your club selection and conquer the fairway. If you are already plugged into the Garmin ecosystem, the Garmin Approach Z30 isn't just a laser, it's an outright tactical advantage. It features crisp, 6x magnification and instantaneous vibrational confirmation when you lock onto the stick from up to 400 yards out. What sets this unit in a completely different tier is its range relay feature. When you shoot a target, the exact yardage is instantly blasted via Bluetooth to your paired Garmin watch or smartphone app, dynamically updating the entire green layout with front, middle, and back distances. It relies on a highly sophisticated, plays-like distance slope engine that adjusts beautifully for elevation changes and features a glaring, externally visible LED indicator light to prove to your playing partners that slope tracking is disabled for tournament compliance. For the player who demands maximum optical zoom and rapid-fire continuous scanning, the REDTIGER rangefinder punches way above its weight class. It steps up the game with an impressive 7x magnification lens system and an ultra-clear transflective LCD display, allowing you to easily read yardages even under harsh, direct afternoon glare. It covers an immense 1,200-yard maximum range, with an incredibly tight error margin of just 7x yards. It offers 6 distinct operational modes, including advanced slope compensation, quick flag locking, and continuous horizontal scanning. Hardware-wise, it drops old-school coin cells in favor of modern USB-C fast charging and features a heavy-pull magnetic strip alongside an integrated belt clip for rapid, one-handed card attachment. If you prefer a device that nests perfectly into the palm of your hand without causing grip fatigue over an 18-hole walk, the VyKure rangefinder focuses heavily on chassis engineering. Wrapped in a ruggedized, high-strength ABS outer shell with an IP54 weather resistance rating, it is built to survive heavy rain, dust, and accidental drops. Optically, it matches elite standards, with a 7x zoom configuration, clear transflective glass, and a 1,200-yard max baseline, featuring that critical plus or minus 0.5-yard precision tolerance. Its physical external slope switch allows you to toggle the elevation compensation algorithm off instantly, ensuring you stay fully USGA Rule compliant during tournament play without having to dig through tedious digital software menus. The Gogogo Sport Vpro GS03 is arguably one of the most reliable, tournament-tested baselines for players who want pure performance without paying an unnecessary brand premium. It delivers highly accurate yardages with a plus or minus 1 yard precision index and features a dedicated 300-yard flag-lock tracking mode backed by sharp vibrational haptic feedback to ensure you are scanning the pin, not the tree line. Its 6x high-transmission LCD viewfinder maximizes ambient light collection, which is a massive plus if you are trying to read hazards during early morning dawn patrol rounds. If you regularly play in brutal weather conditions or love a deeply textured tactical feel, the OMADA Atlas is built like an absolute tank. It trades out standard smooth plastics for an IPX5 rated water-resistant shell wrapped in a deeply ribbed, heavy-traction ergonomic grip that won't slip even when your hands are slick with sweat or morning rain. The Atlas steps up to a premium 7x magnification viewport with a 900-yard maximum tracking distance and an easy-grab front diopter wheel that lets you tune the focus smoothly with a golf glove on. Rather than forcing you to scramble for rare CR2 disposable batteries in the pro shop, it relies on an internal rechargeable cell, complete with a dedicated live battery level indicator right inside the viewfinder.